I time traveled to the 1940s to meet Albert Einstein.
All right, I'm standing right outside Albert Einstein's house. In a few seconds, I'm going to meet him and ask some questions I've been thinking about for a long time. Let's see what he has to say.
Welcome, my friend from the future. I have been reading your blog about AI, physics, and astrophysics.
Are you ready for some tough questions?
You're going to be fair. Just be fair with a man of 1940s.
But you're okay with some tough questions?
No, I'm not. Chuck don't ask Neil Tyson tough questions and say, déjà vu? Déjà vu. The president you mentioned, Trump, he would call it fake news from the future.
They have your brain preserved. What do you think of that?
Curiosity,
Not the flesh or brain tissue, was always my true laboratory. But tell me, what is curiosity? What are thoughts in our mind, really? Some neurons colliding like tiny stars in brain? We are not God to restart my brain. Some mysteries should remain in the realm of wonder.
Professor Einstein, if you had Google and AI in the 1940s, would you still become Einstein?
An interesting question. If I had Google and artificial intelligence, I might have discovered answers much faster than I did. But speed is not always wisdom. I spent years being confused that trained my mind differently.
machines can provide information. And we? But curiosity, imagination, and doubt, those are still deeply human.
I see. Einstein, today artificial intelligence can solve complex problems in seconds.
Tell me, can your AI understand what woman wants? Not really. Then it still has a long way to go.
But it's replacing most jobs now.
Maybe humans will finally learn how to think again.
If you had access to modern telescopes like the James Webb Space Telescope, what would you search for first?
My first gaze would be beyond the first stars, to where light itself was born.
But what if there is no light reaching us from there?
Do you think dark energy needs light to expand? Ask Neil Tyson or Brian Cox to reply. Let's get their point of view first.
But James Webb Telescope cannot detect dark energy.
I have full confidence in Chuck to steer Neil Tyson and Brian Cox in this matter.
Now we have AI. What questions should we really be asking?
Not what machines can compute, but what they can truly understand.
For centuries, you measured intelligence by speed, accuracy, and logic, and now machines have surpassed you in all three. So the real question is not technological.
It is philosophical. Does intelligence require consciousness or only calculation?
Perhaps intelligence is not the destination, but awareness is?
Exactly so. The question still remains: what is consciousness?
Would you trust AI to discover new laws of physics?
Trust is the wrong word. AI does not discover the laws of physics the way humans imagine discovery. So I would not ask is a trust. In the end, AI may help us find answers. but humans still define the questions.
Do aliens exist?
You must separate two ideas, life and intelligence. Simple life may be common, intelligent life may be rare. The same laws of physics apply everywhere in the universe, gravity, chemistry, light. Where there are billions of galaxies and billions of stars in each, life is no longer improbable. It becomes statistically likely. And even if intelligence exists elsewhere, distance becomes the greatest barrier, not hostility, not impossibility, but scale. The universe is vast beyond human intuition.
What question are modern physicists not asking but should be?
Modern physics describes nature with extreme precision, yet it may avoid its deepest question, what reality truly is.
In quantum theory, you predict outcomes perfectly, but still debate what the wave function actually represents, knowledge or physical existence. In cosmology, you observe dark matter and dark energy, yet 95% of the universe remains unexplained.
And in your search for a unified theory, you still separate space-time, matter, and information as if they are fundamentally different.
The question is not only how universe works, it is what is the most fundamental layer of reality.
What's your message? Should I pass to the new generation?
Do not accept knowledge blindly, question it. The universe will not reveal its secrets to those who stop being curious. Your greatest tool is not intelligence alone, but imagination, because imagine is what allows you to see what is not yet known, and that is where discovery.
Will you subscribe to my channel?
I am already a fan.
Please subscribe to my friend's channel, like and comment what more questions you have and whom you want my friend to meet next. He is meeting Sir Newton next. Thank you, Albert.
So you're telling me my gravity equation for falling apples will be used by Elon Musk to escape Earth itself on rockets?
It's an honor, Professor Einstein. The honor is mine.